Hi, my name is Rashmitha and I'm from Ragama. I am a former student of Lyceum International School, Vattala, and currently I'm enrolled in the Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering in the Deakin University of Australia. Currently I'm listed in my second year, third trimester of my bachelor's, and after the completion of my degree I plan to undertake my master's and then eventually return back to my country with some work experience in order to move on with my loved ones and serve my country. There were quite a few reasons for me to choose Australia as my study destination. The main reason was the quality of higher education and the diversity of pathways available for students like myself. And next, the multicultural environment where I could meet people of various nationalities and ethnicities, which could definitely benefit me in the long run. And also, Australia has granted the ability for 3 years of work rights after the completion of the respective course. This of course fascinated me because I intend to bring back knowledge after working overseas back to my home country. After the completion of my A-levels, I did get quite offers and scholarships from quite a few universities from Australia. I chose Deakin particularly for its high standards and especially the reputation that it holds in the stream of engineering. I enrolled myself in Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering because of my passion for the subject since a kid, and also it covers areas like fluid mechanics, thermodynamics and design, to name a few. At first, to be honest, I did not quite like the idea of starting my studies online, especially in the stream of engineering which required a hands-on practical aspect. But later on, I of course did not have much of a choice, and due to the prevailing pandemic situation, that's how I started my degree. Moving on, Deakin was extremely supportive and helpful throughout the course. This is my second year and the lecturers were extremely flexible and supportive, leaving us with a huge range of resources to study from. I was also able to make some new friends and of course learn skills related to IT, and communication skills were also developed with the making of new friends via the cloud platform. Moving on, Deakin surely did their part in making the international students succeed throughout their online career. I think it was after my A-levels that I first got in touch with Emergence, where they conducted a workshop for the final year of students in my school. And it was honestly their presentation and the services that they offered which made me contact them later on. It was Emergence Education that handled my visa and all the processes since day one. They were very helpful in terms of the documentation, the daily updates and the information that I pretty much needed. Since day one, they were the people who handled my visa and all the processes were explained very carefully and in detail. I really liked the methodical and informative approach where everything was explained in detail. Now, I look forward to move to Australia to resume my studies and to move on with my degree. I would definitely highly recommend Emergence Education to anyone who wishes to study abroad and to reach their goals.